Mark. It's still autumn and we are picking up some Christmas tree or Christmas ornaments, or for my what do you call that? It's a, what do you call that? Do you call this 4 Sundays? Advent. Yes, I answer it. It's Advent. Advent. And this is what I've got. I'll put this Christmas or Advent ornaments beside my Advent candles. And I'm so excited to do this, and I'm gonna show you guys how will I do it.
Can you help me, Daddy? Mommy? Mommy?
Yes?
Can
I can help
Mommy?
you.
Lucas,
Help me, Mommy.
Say cheese to Daddy.
Lucas.
Cheese, please, Mommy. Please, Mommy.
Cheese.
Say cheese.
And we are at 𝓁𝒾𝓄. This is the forest area, and they have also the beach, which is also nice. And there are play areas here around the forest, and you can do mountain bike in here. Oh, what happened? Fell down. They have really big pine trees here. And I got this already. These are pine cones. And this one looks nice as well. Add this to my collection. Yeah, and treat. Yeah, exactly. What kind of treat?
Can I take it off of you?
Yeah, I can take care of you. I'm already taking care of you.
Can
Can you close it? Sorry?
I want carrot.
Ah, sweet boy. Sweet boy. Say hi to Daddy.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Oh, what's this?
What's this? It's like a pom-pom.
It's pom-pom.
Yes, it's a pom-pom.
Are you a pom-pom?
No, not mommy, but my hat is. Yeah?
Is this two pom-poms?
Yeah, 2 pom-poms. Made of wool. It's time to go home.
Can you go get your bucket, please?
Fun time.
Oh, no, Lucas. Don't get... I found this one. It looks so cool.
There.
It's a 𝓁𝒾𝓄 map.
Right there.
Daddy.
Can you go there, please?
Did you have a big one?
No, it's a small one. It's this size. Mom was whining for.
This is the Blokhus Sand Sculpture Park.
What's that one? The sand castle.
I wonder how long you're allowed to park here. I wonder if they have a parking in here.
Is there going?
Esben's heart.
What?
We're gonna get a very nice bread. Tag. It's a long line. Butter cake. Which one? Stua.
Yes.
Lucas likes the morning bomb. Very big, Lucas. And wow, 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝓒. Nice.
You don't have to.
Nice. My cake is here. Tag. Look, guys. Yeah, cheese.
Two.
Mm.
One.
Mm.
Two. One. I am broken.
What is your problem? Lucas, we put this one first, then mommy will tell you. Oh, be careful! You have to push the chair from here. Put the leaves. We put the leaves on. Yeah, Lucas is helping. Yeah, that one is a hazelnut. You put it on.
I put these not there.
Yeah, you put it there.
Copy.
There. And then the next is the cone. Here, we put the cone there. There.
Ooh.